The Acumatica Field Service module is built for mobility. It integrates with Acumatica Industry Editions to deliver a solution with market-leading usability, and it's designed to help businesses increase productivity, improve service quality, and seize new opportunities. Transform your organization by adding field service to your Acumatica ERP solution, allowing you to manage equipment with flexible contracts for warranties, maintenance, and repairs, and empower field workers with mobile access to service orders from anywhere on any device. Extend Acumatica Manufacturing Edition with field services for installation and repair services. Add field services to Acumatica Construction and Professional Services Editions to create project-related service orders. And differentiate and boost wholesale distribution and retail sales with complementary service orders. You'll also enjoy the full financial visibility and powerful reporting features native to all Acumatica users. The Acumatica Field Services module provides organizations with actionable service insights. Sales orders directly feed into service orders, and you can ship parts and equipment within each order. You can also create appointments on the fly from service orders or inside the calendar board. Select staff based on location, skills, or licenses when scheduling service appointments. Drill down into employee workloads and change appointment details with simple drag-and-drop functionality in the calendar board. View appointments on any device from the field and see details, including directions for getting to the site and departure and arrival times. Take, attach, and send images from the service visit for documentation and visibility. Review appointment details, collect signatures, and submit to the office for invoicing. Acumatica Field Service is a complete, connected, and mobile solution that supports cross-industry service needs on a platform built for scalability and superior ease of use.